Learning a new language can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, but it can also be challenging. Here are some tips on how to learn a new language. Set realistic goals. Before you start learning a new language, it is important to set realistic goals. For example, you may want to be able to hold a basic conversation in the language or to be able to read and write in the language. Setting achievable goals will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Find a learning method that works for you. There are many different ways to learn a new language, such as attending classes, hiring a tutor, using language learning apps or software, or immersing yourself in the language by traveling to a country where it is spoken. Find a learning method that works for you and fits your learning style and schedule. Start with the basics. It is important to start with the basics of the language, such as learning the alphabet, basic grammar, and common words and phrases. This will provide a foundation for further learning and help you start communicating in the language. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to learning a new language. Set aside a specific time each day to practice, whether it is studying vocabulary, listening to podcasts or music in the language, or speaking with a native speaker. Immerse yourself in the language. Immersing yourself in the language can help you improve your listening and speaking skills. This can be done by watching movies or TV shows in the language, listening to music or podcasts, or speaking with native speakers. Make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning a new language. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and try to learn from them. Join a language exchange. Stay motivated. Learning a new language can be a long and sometimes challenging process. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of your goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating your successes. Use language learning resources. There are many resources available to help you learn a new language, such as textbooks, language learning apps or software, language exchange websites, and language learning podcasts. Keep learning. Learning a new language is a lifelong process. Keep practicing and learning to continue improving your skills and knowledge of the language. In conclusion, learning a new language can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By setting realistic goals, finding a learning method that works for you, practicing regularly, immersing yourself in the language, making mistakes, joining a language exchange group, staying motivated, using language learning resources, and continuing to learn, you can achieve success in learning a new language.